The Goblin Forest, also known as the Kamahi Loop Track, is a mystical and enchanting part of Egmont National Park in Taranaki, New Zealand. It's known for its twisted, moss-draped Kamahi trees, shaped by volcanic eruptions and the passage of time, creating a unique, otherworldly atmosphere. The forest floor is often wet, and the air is filled with the earthy scent of moss and dampness. Visitors often describe it as feeling like stepping into a fairy tale or a scene from a fantasy novel. Thank you for watching.